everyone! So today we're gonna make a cricket bat. As you all know that cricket is a very popular sport throughout the world. This is an interesting looking bat, so let's see how to make it. Okay, so we have dots with numbers. We're gonna follow the dots and join them in the given sequence. And we make the outline of the bat with a black marker pen, like this. Now let's color it and make it interesting and colorful. We're gonna take a bright orange color and we start coloring it along the outline, like this. The bat is made up of wood and sometimes plastic too. In cricket, we strike the ball with the bat. Fill the color nice and easy with nice long strokes, evenly colored. Be careful so that the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Nice and easy. Cricket is a very fun game. Besides that, playing the sport keeps us fit and healthy. We should make it a point that we play a sport every day. Now we're going to take yellow color and paint the edge. Like this. Let's do the edges carefully without smudging the color, like this. Fill in all the gaps you see. Now we're going to paint the handle of the bat. So we're painting it with nice bright dark pink. Neat on the edges. We'll do the outline first to keep it neat. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Fill in the gaps. Like this. Nice. Add some green color to the grip of the handle. So this is the grip where we hold the handle and play with the bat. And now a dash of yellow color in between the green color. So now you know how to make and color a cricket bat. Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about puzzles. turn. Okay, now which one to choose? This is a giraffe, and we need to complete it. This is the body of the giraffe and the legs, and the tail of the giraffe. This is the body of giraffe. Now, yeah, the face of the giraffe. Now what's here? Yeah, the legs of the giraffe. We found snake. The snake, yay! Now we're gonna make panda. White and black. Yay! We completed it. It's a cute panda. Now which one's the last one? What is it? Oh, this is a deer! Yay! We've completed the puzzle! Hooray!